Hi, in this tutorial I will talk about the elseif ladder and also when to use and the logic behind it. It also performs something similar task as the nested if else, but the syntax is totally different and you can also use in another task. Now in this tutorial I will also solve the same task. That means if you have the condition more than 2, that means if you consider 4 and 8, there is 2 condition only. But assigning 2 and 10, it increases the condition. That means if it is 2, 4 or 8, 10 or 8, you can execute the expression or the code within this range, within this range, and within this range, and within this range. Let's understand through the example. Assign 4 value to a, and if a is greater than or equals to 2, I mean less than or equals to 2. So execute some block, something TISP this. It is less than 2. It is less than 2. And set another elseif elseif, whether it is less than or equals to 4, this something. It is BTW between 2 to 4. Else if a is less than or equals to, I mean 8, then execute some block, something like it is lies between 4 to 8. Else if check whether a is less than or equals to 10. This some command, that means to execute some block of code. It is within 8 to 10, and if some value which is outside this range, execute some default statement, that is the else, and this outside the range. It is outside the range, and run this code. It is between 2 to 4, something 8. Run this code. It is lies between 4 to 8, and something 10. Run. It is within 8 to 10, and something 15. It is outside the range. You can change this statement as accordingly. So this is a simple example of if else ladder. Thank you for watching. If you have any confusion and any comments, so leave the comment in comment section, and finally like the video if you think it is useful, and subscribe the channel for more video. Thank you for watching.